Have you ever heard of a magic chain stitch? This stitch is achieved by threading 2 different contrasting colors onto a single needle. You may be thinking, that doesn't make any sense. How in the world does this work? Let me show you how. To get started, make sure you run your fingers through the thread to make sure that it's completely untwisted. It's just a lot easier to work this way. Start this stitch similar to a usual chain stitch. You'll be going up through the fabric with both strands threaded. Go back down where you came up, and then this is where things are a little bit different. Take your needle and you're going to separate the 2 strands. Now when you work your first stitch, you're only going to catch one of the colors. The other color should pull through a little bit to the back. It probably won't pull all the way. You might have to pull the actual strand a little bit, and that's your first stitch. So then for the next stitch, you'll grab the other color. It takes a little bit of practice. I'm still pretty slow at this, but I did want to share one other technique that I've found helpful for this. Once you get a few stitches in, you might notice that the strands become a little bit uneven, so the one that you didn't use is a little bit longer, and you can use this to your advantage. You can naturally just kind of let it be a little bit uneven as you stitch, and it will make it a lot easier to separate out the colors. To make it even easier, you can kind of grab the color you want and separate them out as you go, and that will also make it a lot easier to work this stitch a little bit faster. Give it a try and see what you think.